Al Globus fence. Stop lying to yourself. Stop lying to your neighbors that you're interested to see them in your backyard, because your backyard is a 5-foot wall or a 6-foot wall, and you see your neighbor walking like this. No, stop lying. You don't want to see him. And yes, you need a wall topper, but not just a wall topper. Al Globus wall topper, because it's not so heavy, because it's going to go on the wall. It has the aluminum frame and post, so there's no rusting. Composite that looks like wood. You get that wood look without the weight, without the maintenance, and you don't care about water because it's rust free, which I think I said. Anyway, you got the wood look, maintenance free, crack free, beauty, 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 and it's damn stable and strong. Vinyl on the other side is ugly. It cracks, it yellows, it doesn't look appealing, and it's damn ugly. Once again. So, green and black works great. Brown and black works great. A lot of people put ficus. They think it's a solution. It's not a solution until your ficus are 5 years old. But even though the ficus does not block the sound, this helps the sound a lot. So, ficus plus Al Globus fence, you got a silky smooth backyard with value, with looks, and you get the job done 100% with Globus Gates. And next day install, next week install, whatever you choose for your next pool party. Best pricing in the market. What a beauty. Damn, just what a beauty. So stop lying to yourself and get yourself an Al Globus wall topper. Today, call them up, call Globus up, and get your job done. Don't fall for ugly white vinyl. Don't fall for chipping, cracking wood that you're gonna have to stain and paint all day long. And stop lying to yourself that you want to see your neighbor, because you're not, and I know you're not. So call Globus Gates and ask for Al Globus wall topper. They're a family-owned company with their own factory. I'm talking like it's not part of the factory, but whatever. We are Globus Gates. So family, vibing, good material. We produce, we have our own shop, custom shop, our installers. More better than this, it does not get. I wish to have all my subs that come to my house to do job to be like Globus company. That'll be a fantastic transition. We don't leave the job until the job is done 100. So come to our showroom and check out the Al Globus. We got tons of showroom to show you and samples you can take home in magazines. See you guys later. Have a good time. Al Globus product, Globus Gates. I am out. This is beautiful product. Show them the product.
Hey, wait, one more question.
Whoa.
How many day install?
1 day. 1 day. No cracking, no chipping, no painting, no rusting, no screws, no. 1 day install. Globus Gates, the future of gates. Not only you don't have all this maintenance crap, but we install it in 1 day.